Hello, I am Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Transformers, Earth Wars error code 1207. The error reads, "Something went wrong." As per our research, this error occurs when players try to open the game. According to our research, the error can happen due to a temporary game issue, a required update, or an account-related problem. The first thing you should try is restarting the game and checking if the error still comes. If the error persists, check if the game needs an update. If there's a pending update, install it and try launching the game again. If the issue continues, restart your device along with your network. Simply power off your device and router, then wait for a minute and then turn them back on. Then check if the error still comes. If you still see the error, then the issue can be server-side, so wait for a few hours and try again. If the error persists even after waiting, then it may be an account-related issue. In this case, we recommend reaching out to the game support for further assistance. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.